Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can add this circle. In the part 1 I showed you how to zoom in and magnify a portion of the video, and in this video I'm just going to show you how you can add this outline. So what you have to do basically is super simple. Just make sure you follow my other video. So because here I have a background, this is what you should see. I have background, so make sure you have this on. So make sure you watch, if you want this, make sure you watch my, we don't need this. Make sure you watch my other, my first video. I'll leave the link in the description of this video. The part 1 is part 2, and here you just have to Control C and then Control Shift and V, and then we create an instance, connect this to the background. And there are other ways to create this, but if you know others way, let me know. And now right click on border width and the instance, and also solid and this instance, and uncheck solid, and actually no, leave it on solid, sorry. And now just increase border width, go to background, color, and change color. Now we can also add here shadow, drop shadow. And now, okay, this didn't work because shift, connect this back and put it in front. Now we have shadow. We have shadow, as you can see here, because it's background and then shadow. So I hope guys this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you can have a fantastic day. Take care.